ang pagbabalik sa battlefield from the Isle of Woman. Okay? And napanigayahan ni Chief Engineer Jigger Vindicio at ni Madam Vindicio Arada. And of course, the rest of the family of Vindicio family from Milipili, Rojas City. Of course, powered by Hurricane and Yolanda speakers. Okay? And always powered by Drop Soundworks. Ayan Chief Tech, WOMANIZER, GPP, and Womanizer by Sir John Ray Porras Assessor. And of course, and Team Stroker family. Ladies and gentlemen, from Rojas City, Womanizer Disco Mobile.
The seafood capital of the Philippines, the life of the party of this is Womanizer Disco Mobile of Mission Hill Subdivision, Rojas City, owned and managed by Engineer Jigger Vindicio, powered by Hurricane Yolanda and WDM Supersonic. Clarity, intensity, and music mix that you never heard before. Solid Team Stroker, Drop Soundworks, official DJ Christian Bama. I love Woman, I heart Woman,
Y'all ready for this?
Vamos sana.
Lela.
This should be played at high volume.
Level 138 in progress.
Drop it. Control your body.
Level 138 in progress. Level 138 in progress.